In this video, we'll demonstrate how to efficiently compress the file size of a PDF document on your iPhone. This is a useful skill to help manage your storage and share files more easily. But before we dive into the process, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to compress PDF files on your iPhone. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is valuable to us and helps us create better content for you. Do you often find yourself with large PDF files that are difficult to manage on your iPhone? I'll show you a straightforward method to compress these files, making them more manageable and shareable. Start by ensuring that you have the PDF file you want to compress saved in the Files app on your iPhone. For example, if you receive a PDF in an email that you want to compress, open the email and tap on the PDF file to open it. Within the PDF, tap the Share button, typically located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will bring up the Share menu. Scroll down in the Share menu and look for the option to Save to Files. Tap on it to proceed. Choose where you want to save the compressed PDF, such as your iPhone, and tap Save. You may be prompted to replace the existing file if it's the same name. Confirm the replacement if needed. Now, open your web browser. You can use Safari or any other browser of your choice. In the URL bar, type in ilovepdf.com and hit Go. This website, iLovePDF, is a convenient tool for compressing PDF files. Once the iLovePDF website loads, scroll down the page until you find the Compress PDF option. Tap on it to proceed. You will be prompted to select PDF files. Tap on this option, and your device's File Explorer will open. Locate the PDF file you want to compress and tap Open in the top left corner to upload it. If you have more PDFs to compress, you can upload them simultaneously. After uploading the PDF, tap Compress PDF in the bottom right corner. The tool will begin compressing the files. Please note that the degree of compression may vary based on the content of the PDF. Once the compression is complete, the tool will inform you of the new file size. Your PDF is now smaller and more manageable. To download the compressed PDF, tap Download Compressed PDF. It will open in a new tab. To save the file back to your iPhone, tap the Share button in the middle. Scroll down and select Save to Files. Choose the location where you want to save the compressed PDF and tap Save. That's it? You've successfully compressed the PDF file size on your iPhone. The compressed PDF is now saved and ready for use. It's an excellent way to save space and make sharing files more convenient. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more valuable content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and for more tutorials and resources, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.